To change the background color in Squarespace, start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Squarespace website. Log in by clicking the Login button and entering your email and password. Once logged in, click on your account name and navigate to the account dashboard, where you'll select the website you want to modify. From there, you'll see various options, including website, selling, invoicing, content, memberships, donations, scheduling, marketing, contacts, and analytics. Click on the Edit option, and you'll be presented with a range of choices, including a paintbrush icon that represents site styles. Click on the paintbrush, and then select Colors from the Site Styles menu, which includes options for fonts, heading colors, buttons, and forms. This will allow you to edit the color palette and choose a new background color from the available options. You can select a color that suits your needs and see the changes applied to your website. The background color can be modified to any color of your choice, including red, black, or any other color from the spectrum.